Jovi Systems presents to you the Jetronics Eco, the economic rework station for laptop and game console motherboards repairs. It contains many uncountable features. Large preheating area of 245mm by 245mm. Dynamic reflow part design with free movement in 3 direction, left and right. Forward and backward. Up and down. Advanced, easy and safe PCB holder to place the application within the heating area tightly. It can rework large PCB, up to 290mm by 315mm and components up to 70mm by 70mm. Graphical widescreen LCD with elegant user interface design. It shows machine settings including warning and safety features for controlling the process with complete safety. Cross-flow, cooling fan that provides safe air carpet across the application underside. Flexible thermocouple designed to be placed easily close to the application. Optional thermocouple for additional temperature value measurement. Light source for monitoring process progress. Powerful component picking up tool, with lifting power of 120 gram. Easy connection to PC through USB 2.0 for software control. User-friendly software interface. Jetronics Eco, save your money, invest your rework time.